Hey kids, so here's the last Choose Your Own Adventure from Lesson 5. We are in Level 6, and we're choosing our own adventure by accessing random elements from a 1D array. And so it looks like this random image is going to be kind of similar to the random colors. Don't know for sure, but let's take a gander. But I'm sure we're going to be using the theater in this next one, and I bet we are. Kind of excited, and we are. So let's take a gander at the Theater Runner class. So the Theater Runner class, there is an array of strings, which are the names of different images. So there's Fashion JPEG and Nature JPEG and Games JPEG. So got it. And then we have an image scene object right below that is called scene and gets the images passed to it. And then we just need to call the choose random image and pass the image return to the draw scene method. So it's very similar to what we did before. And so in the image scene class, we've got our array of strings, which are called images. And here is the constructor. So we pass those images to the image scene object. And there's your getter method. And here's our choose random integer. And here is the draw scene method. It's literally going to draw our image with the upper left corner at 0, 0. So it's going to be all the way in the upper left corner. And it's going to be as wide as our drawing pad is, which would be 400 pixels. So we're going to return a random image from the images array. So I am going to go images array. So I'm going to go images, and I want at a certain index, so I'm going to go math.random, and I've said this a couple times before. Math.random returns a random double between 0 and 1, but not including 1. I'm going to multiply this by the length of the images list. So images.length. This is now going to return a random double between 0 and up to, but not including, the length of the image list. When I cast this to an integer, what this will do now is this will now return a random integer between 0 and up to, but not including the length of the image list. So it's going to be 1 less than the length of the image list, which makes it perfect for doing indices of images. So that's going to return my random image from the image list. And so now we need to go to the Theater Runner, and we need to call the choose random image. I want to make sure that was not like a static image or anything like that. It was not a static method. So we are going to go scene dot choose random image, and we're passing it the images list. And then we are going to go, let's see, draw scene. Passing it the image. Oh, so the choose random image does not require. It's the this one that does. So I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that, but I do want to do scene dot draw scene with the images list in it. All right, let's run it, see what it does. It's either going to work or not work, but we will find out soon, and it did not work. Let me try this. Oh, let me do this. Let me go string my image equals that, and then let me pass this to my image. I think that's going to work. So far, so good. Oh, that's cool. Like that. Force view. Anyway, let's stop it and run our test. Make sure our test is okay. And it is. That's it. That's it for lesson 5. We've done all the choose your own adventures, and I'll work on the next lessons here in a little bit.